Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna review and test the MACSECOR 14.1 dual screen monitor. If you follow my channel, you may already check other reviews with two screens versions, and I got some comments where some people says that for a laptop sometimes a simple extra screen is enough. And funny thing, a couple weeks later, MACSECOR kindly sent me this version for testing. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and have a look. So here on top, under the protection foam, we can see a leather bag with the screen inside, of course, and I have said that in other reviews I'm a fan of these bags. They are quite handy and they have awesome quality. As for the screen itself, we will check it in a minute. Next, we have all the cables necessary to connect the screen, in this case a USB-C cable, a USB-C to HDMI and a USB-C to USB-A cable. And of course, in the bottom of the box we have some instructions too. As for the screen itself, we have the characteristic carbon on the rear. It looks really cool, I'm a fan. It has the same and standard rear support, similar to the triple screen model, with various positions, where you can then adjust the angle of the screen. The latching mechanism is also similar to the triple monitor. It is really easy to use and it fits up to 16 inches laptops, which is pretty cool. The screen finish is matte, once again similar to the triple screen model. And so, before we can test it, let's have a look on some of the screen's more depth specs, and then we can plug it in and see how it performs. So, and as you can see, this is a 14.1 inches 16 by 9 1080p panel. It has a resolution of 1920 by 1080, a pretty standard 60Hz refresh rate, 1000:1 contrast ratio, and a very good 180 degrees of rotation angle. One of the best features of this screen is of course the USB connections, which make it compatible with a wide range of devices, even with smartphones, so it can be used pretty much for everything, work, gaming, etc. And being a standalone monitor, it allows a vertical use, which is very good for using in programming, spreadsheets or other working. So now let's plug it in and see how it performs. And as you can see, in just a matter of minutes the monitor is connected and ready to work. It powers on automatically, but you can power it on or off in this button on top. And also here you can adjust your personal settings like the color temperatures, brightness, etc. Just like any regular monitor. So, as for the functionality, it is working as expected, flawlessly. The USB connection works like it should, so we got no lag whatsoever. As for the image quality and viewing angles, I just want to point that I'm filming this video and this review with an iPhone 12, normal version, so not even a special camera, and you can see for your own eyes that both quality and view angles are quite good. And a nice cool feature, as I referred earlier, as a standalone, you can use it as a vertical monitor, which can be handy for various functions, so let's give it a shot too. And as you can see, in vertical mode it is perfect for working. In fact, horizontal or vertical mode, this screen it is a pretty cool extra to have for any laptop. For gaming, for work, for a video conference, an extra monitor is always a cool thing to have. Even more when you can, in the end, simply fold it and put it in a bag. I really love it. And talking about gaming, I want to show you another little feature about this monitor. So let's play a game on my Xbox so I can show you. So for that you're gonna need to use the USB-C to HDMI cable, but also provide an extra power to the other USB-C cable. I'm gonna use this USB charger with 35 watts that I have at home. And as you may notice, the other little thing that I want to show you is the speakers. This monitor has built-in speakers. Of course, nothing too special, nothing too crazy, but for a trip, for vacations, for to play with friends, it is pretty cool and enough. So, as my final conclusion, I think it's pretty easy to say that this monitor is an awesome add to any laptop. Besides this model, MACSECOR also offers other cool models, so check out the links in the description below to buy one of these or any other models from MACSECOR. For me, it's all for today. So, as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.